This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Matt.herrick. Honey, stop the car, this one is it. Looking for new construction with every upgrade offered? Look no further. Low maintenance, still under builder warranty, 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths and 2 half baths. First floor office with half bath, 2 floors open living space, with 3rd floor boasting 2 en suites. 2 car attached garage. All amenities one can imagine, 2 pools, one is considered a quiet pool, walking paths, and gym to just name a few. Come see your new home today. For more information, review the details below or contact Matt.herrick at 757-639-8725.